Curious about digital dentistry? Well, what if in just 3 hours you'd be ready to practice same appointment dentistry? Just think of the possibilities. In our introduction to digital scanning and in-office milling course, you'll leave with the skills necessary to harness the power of the future and improve care for your patients. In this hands-on course, you'll learn how incredibly simple it is to scan, design, and mill right in your office. This isn't just a lecture, it's you up close and personal with the technology, practicing with the Glidewell.io in-office solution and the iTero Element intraoral scanner. Through this interactive experience, you'll discover the keys to successful digital impressions, how to incorporate in-office milling for single-unit restoration, material selection for in-office fabrication, and prep guidelines and tissue management for CAD/CAM restoration. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today!